gearbox malfunction again, guys. I don't know what is up this time. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. I was testing it again. It's the next day currently, and I was trying to like test the car and all that. I'm gonna try to clear the code real quick to see if like they'll take it off. It might just be acting crazy or whatever, I don't know. Yeah, so guys, yeah, I'm really disappointed. The repair kit did not work, I guess, because I am still out of reverse and gearbox malfunction right now. This is crazy. Night it was driving fine, and no, I didn't do anything crazy or stupid, of course. I was just on the highway, taking a little cruise, trying to let everything settle in or whatever, and then the malfunction came on. I don't know, I can kind of feel or hear like the 7 to 6 downshift. I can feel it and hear it actually. I don't know if that's what's causing it maybe, but I restarted the car once and it went away. TPMS came on, it went. I reset it to TPMS, it went away. Drove for about 5 minutes, it went away. This is the same thing that happened the first time, and then now it wouldn't clear at all. I'm still getting the same code, P2841. It is the shift D position circuit shift fork or whatever performance, range performance. I don't know, guys. I'm about to head home and park her now, and then figure out my next step. I guess I might just opt for a whole new trans. Fuck it, because it might be a whole new transmission, or it might be a transmission internal or whatever. So yeah, as you guys can clearly see, I'm driving home in limp mode again. It's just fucking ridiculous, guys. It's freaking stupid, man. Look at this. Audi, you guys gotta make this right. Oh my gosh. This is freaking, bro. I don't even get to enjoy this shit. Now I wanna blow this shit up, to be honest. So yeah, malfunction again, guys. Still not fixed yet, I guess. So I guess the next plan will be probably I'm gonna do some more research and then figure out exactly what the fuck is going on. I think I might just go ahead and get a whole new like used 2016 trans, because I don't really want to pay for a whole new mech when you can get a whole new transmission that comes with a whole new mech. Because what if it's the fucking transmission itself that's bad and I put a new mech in it and it just still goes bad? So I might just opt for a whole new transmission. What's going on, people? I am currently heading to the shop right now. Well, actually I'm heading to Brad's house because we're gonna go ahead and try to do the adaptation on the car. I didn't do that yesterday when we did the repair kit on the mech. I mean, everything cleared off, so I didn't do the adaptation. It worked it for about like a few hours. I mean, maybe overnight. I drove it a little bit last night, and then next day I went somewhere. I was running around doing errands, taking it easy, of course. I was trying to let the car cycle through, and then before you know it, the light came back on. So as you guys can hear, it's skipping gears. I believe I have first, third, and fifth, and seventh. I don't have no reverse, second, whatever. I mean, it says you can continue to drive. It doesn't shift hard. I mean, it downshift pretty hard a little bit. I think like coming to a complete stop, of course. But other than that, I don't know. Hopefully, when Brad do the adaptation with the scan tool, make everything work better. I don't know. Or if not, then I'm gonna have to proceed to the next step, either a rebuild mech, new mech, or new trans, because apparently you can see it's not. I mean, it's driving, but it's not driving 100% properly. I mean, at least it gives me that, right? But fuck, it's just annoying. All right, so this guy used to be into cars like crazy. He's a friend of mine, not just a mechanic. You know what I'm saying? We used to like ride around and do crazy shit. He was building like some crazy car. I'm not gonna say. I'll probably save it for another video. But Brad used to be heavily into cars. But this guy retired, and he got sick and tired of cars. So he changed his hobby to something else. You guys ready to see this? It's fucking sick, but it can be expensive like cars too. Bam! This guy went to Finding Nemo world. Yo, look at that. That's crazy. That Nemo got a nice tan. Corals. Oh yeah, he's actually selling corals too, by the way. So anybody out there that's into fish and stuff and corals and Sea World type of stuff, hit me up. I can get you a deal. Got some cool corals and stuff. Look at that. He has a website too. I'll actually post a website down where he sells all his coral and fish stuff. Dang. I like this tank over here. Look at that little shrimp. Damn. More Nemos in there. Of course, more Nemos. I guess this extra space over here is gonna be for another tank. Feeding time. Crazy what fish eats. It's like nothing, bro. It's like fucking dirt and allergens that you're eating. No, I'm just kidding. This one looks cool. Look at that. You guys see that? That looks crazy. You can see all in there. Damn. Look at the color of that. I think that's gonna be sick. Look at all those over there. All of this shit here is like 20-30K worth of stuff. But I mean, like, he's selling it too, so it's like a business, right, Brad? Certified, legally legit business. But the second shop doing the we're gonna go ahead, he's gonna go ahead and scan it and readapt the damn freaking let me pull it out. There you go. We're gonna try to scan the car, it's gonna scan the car, try to do the transmission adaptation for the car because we didn't do that. I thought it didn't really need it because when we cleared code, I took it for a ride and then I just dipped out from there. But the next day, as you can see, it went out, the code came back up again. So I want to go ahead and try to do the adaptation first before we proceed to the next step, which will be what, I don't know, rebuild a mech, new mech, or a whole new trans. But I'm still getting that same code, P2841, shift fork D module position. I don't know exactly what it is. I couldn't find anybody with the same exact issues. I've seen a lot of mechatronic issues out there, but I did not see any with mine's, like my description and my specific code. But it seemed like it's relating to like the TCM, but I don't know. He was able to clear on the scan tool here, but when I tried to reset the car, it didn't work out. But he's able to get it off this time, but we're gonna go ahead and do the adaptation now. Crossing fingers, hoping that's what it is. For all the people out there, it might help you guys. I'm trying to take like all the cheapest and best steps before we go ahead and fucking replace the mech or rebuild a mech or a transmission, you know what I'm saying? So this isn't anybody's fault besides Audi. We did this circuit board, which was first step. As you can see, it worked for like what, 24 hours? Boom. Oh. About 24 hours. And I mean, in the video, you guys can clearly see that, you know, Brad did everything perfectly, correctly. We took our time and everything. And it definitely worked it fine. It shifted great. It actually felt better than when I first got the car. But then the next day, boom. So you said you're taking for a little drive now and let everything adapt and sink in, I guess. I mean, hopefully he has better luck than I do, because you probably should have just drove it more that night, man, instead of me. But we'll see. I'll update you guys here in a few minutes. All right, so update, we just wait, hold on. All right, so update, we just drove around, try to do the try to do the adaptation, whatever. It would not work because malfunction came back on, and obviously you can't do the adaptation with the code on. So I think I might have to proceed to the next step, which is doing more research, doing my homework more, and figuring out what I should do. Either rebuild a mech, get a new mech, or a new year used transmission, low miles transmission with warranty on there. Because I know a few guys who didn't tow new mech and it didn't fix the issue, so I don't feel like gambling again, being that we just gambled and did a repair kit, as you guys can see, and that didn't fix the issue. So yeah, I'll catch you guys then. I'll keep you guys updated, and I will definitely update and post when we get it fixed.